Hello and welcome to the Etz Chaim Shul Guide to putting on or laying Tefillin. And before we start, we need to have a talis on, a kippah, siddur at the appropriate page, and of course the Tefillin. There are two Tefillin boxes, one for the arm, called the Tefillin Shel Yad, and one for the head, called the Tefillin Shel Rosh. The Tefillin Shel Yad has one very long leather strap, and the Tefillin Shel Rosh has two straps of equal length. Because I'm right-handed, I'll be putting the Tefillin Shel Yad on my left arm. If you're wearing a ring or a watch, now's the time to take it off, and also to roll up your sleeve shirt. When you open the Tefillin bag, the Tefillin Shel Yad should be on the right-hand side, and this is the one you take out first. Unwind the leather strap onto a table in front of you. You want to unravel it as much as possible, and then take the protective cover off the Tefillin box. Notice that the Tefillin Shel Yad has a knot on the left of the box at the top of the assembly. Place the Tefillin Shel Yad on the left biceps with the leather strap facing towards the upper arm and the Tefillin box facing towards the hand. There should be a few fingers space between the bottom of the box and the crook of the elbow. Tighten the leather strap and say the following blessing. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu l'haniach tefillin. Bring the strap around the biceps and wrap it around the forearm 7 times. Unwind the rest around the palm of your hand, and we're ready to move on to the Tefillin Shel Rosh. Now take the Tefillin Shel Rosh, unwind the leather straps and remove the protective cover. You can see that the Tefillin Shel Rosh has a knot directly opposite the box. Place the Tefillin Shel Rosh on the head with the box above the forehead, just above the hairline or where it would be. The Tefillin needs to be in direct contact with the head, so adjust your kippah if you need to. And check it's in the right place. You might want to use a mirror to help you do this. And recite the following blessing. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al mitzvat tefillin. The knot should lie at the back of your head above the nape of your neck. Allow the two straps to come around the front of you with the black side on show. And say Baruch Shem Kavod Malchuto L'Olam Va'ed. Now we go back to the Tefillin Shel Yad. Unwind the strap around the palm of the hand until there's just one strap going round the back. Now wind it round the middle finger 3 times and then once over the next finger. Bring it back over the back of the hand and then wind it around the palm of the hand until all the strap is used up. And say the following. Ve'irastik li le'olam, ve'irastik li b'sedek, u'v'mishpat, u'v'chesed, u'v'rachamim, ve'irastik li be'emunah, ve'ada'at et Adonai. And then tuck it in at the end. And that's it. Notice if we relax the left arm, the Tefillin Shel Yad just points in towards the heart, neither facing forward nor into the side. And now we're ready for morning prayers. So, when it's time to take the Tefillin off, we start with the Tefillin Shel Yad and we unwind it from the hand. Then wind it round the palm of the hand. Now we take off the Tefillin Shel Rosh. Take that off and place it in its protective box. You could wrap it up at this stage, but I'll move on to the Tefillin Shel Yad now. Unwind it from the palm of the hand. Take it off the forearm and off the biceps. And back into its protective box. Wrap these up the way they were before, and we're all done.